This equipment is 3 components: weighing and mixing machine. First, we use pressure ports to deliver the main component, hardener, water, and solvent into the system for mixing. The base component, hardener, and water, controlled by the R4 valve to regulate the discharge speed. After the target weight is detected by the electronic scale, the switching different paints is carried out via the R4 valve. Take this current paint as an example. The water, hardener, and main component are in a ratio 1:1:30. We input the total output amount for this batch. If it's 6,000 grams, the system will automatically divide it 188 grams of water, 188 grams of hardener, and 5,625 grams of main component. Once I press the mixing start button, the system will first discharge water until it reaches 188 grams. Then discharge the hardener, also 188 grams. Next, the agitator will start mixing for a period of time. This mixing time is set by our system. After that, the main component will be discharged to a final round of mixing. Once the mixing reaches the preset duration, the entire mixing valve and agitator will lift up, and the system will sound an alert. This notifies the operator that the paint mixing is complete.